Hey, what's up guys, Srazz here back with another video, and this is the Apple Watch Series 7. Apple just released the Apple Watch Series 8 but the Series 8 is of no big improvements to the Series 7. I've been using the Series 7 for a couple months now, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the Apple Watch Series 7 and compare it along with the Apple Watch Series 8. Let's talk about the display. Comparing to the Series 7, the Series 8 remains the same. The LTPO OLED Retina display and the always on display are pretty much the same and comes in the same sizes as the Series 7. Both Series 7 and Series 8 are IP67 water and dust resistant and comes with the same 1GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. The system on chip, the S7 on the Apple Watch Series 7 and S8 on the Series 8 are almost at the same speed. The connectivity on both the devices is the same. The final difference is in the sensors. The always-on altimeter, blood oxygen sensor, ECG, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor are all the same on both the watches, except temperature sensor that is on the Apple Watch Series 8, which is used for cycle tracking for women. The watchOS 9's new low-power mode might be the most useful addition on the Series 8, but it will also come to Series 7 with updates. Apple also introduced an Apple Watch Ultra alongside the Apple Watch Series 8 this year, with main focus on athletes. The all-new Apple Watch Ultra comes in a bigger case with 49mm titanium and has improved water resistance up to 100 meters. Apple claims the Apple Watch Ultra to be the brightest and biggest Apple Watch ever. And direct sunlight is no obstacle for an always-on Retina display that's an eye-opening 2000 nit peak brightness. It also comes with watch faces that are particularly designed for workouts and adventures. There is also a new action button that can be customized based on the user needs. The new Apple Watch Ultra comes with 3 new bands that are exclusive for hiking, running and diving. The battery life on the Apple Watch Ultra is expected to last up to 60 hours on low power settings for days full of adventures. And the watch can withstand temperatures of -20 degrees centigrade to 55 degrees centigrade. There is also an Apple Watch SE 2 launched along with the Apple Watch Series 8 and Ultra this year. The Series 8 is priced the same rate as the Series 7 and the Ultra is priced at $799 and will be available next week. That's pretty much about the Apple Watches that are released this year, and I hope you enjoyed it and see you guys in the next one.